Okay, this is TEMAX brand. It's a Tandem box. This is our item. It's a 500 millimeter. Okay, this is the green color. We sell to our agent. It's a 1 carton. It's a 6 cents. It's a Tandem box, TEMAX brand. Okay, we will open this TEMAX brand Tandem box. We can see what the products inside. Okay, so one side is one small box. If you don't like this color, you can change the other color. It's no problem because we have the single color. In the box we have the color box. Yeah, because there's some customer like it's different color. Its price is very similar. Okay, it's open. Yeah, this is a Tandem box, the fitting. It's inside the fitting. This is a size map. It's installed the size. So 1 cent is one piece. Okay. This is a Lyman Tandem box. This one. This is slider. Just slider. On center we have the poly bag. It's this poly bag. This is a Tandem box. The green color. You can see with this triangle streak, and this is a just slider. It's too heavy. Its quality is very good. Okay, this is our TEMAX brand Tandem box slider. If you want to some news, you can follow us, TEMAX. Yeah, we will update her. It's sometimes our TEMAX the good products. Thank you. This is Aaron. Bye bye.